That pre-made hiker first aid kit you just bought isn't just heavy. It lacks the one specific item that prevents 80% of ultra DNFs. Commercial medical kits weigh over 300 grams and are stuffed with gauze you'll never use. Worse, they rely on cheap plastic tape that sweats off in 20 minutes. My custom kit weighs exactly 62 grams and fits in a coin pocket. Here is the non-negotiable list. You need 1 meter of Leukotape P wrapped around a card, not duct tape, not generic medical tape. Add 400 milligrams ibuprofen for swelling, and specifically diphenhydramine, Benadryl, for sudden allergic reactions to bee stings or plants. Most runners carry the kit but still fail because of a psychological trap. You feel a hot spot at mile 20, but you tell yourself you'll check it at the next aid station. This is the mistake that ends races. By the time you reach the aid station, the blister is deep under the callus. The golden rule of ultra foot care is immediate intervention. The moment you feel friction, you have a 5-minute window. Stop immediately. Dry the skin with your buff or a wipe. Apply the Leukotape directly over the hot spot before the bubble forms. Throw in 2 large safety pins. They weigh 2 grams, but fix broken pack straps or zippers. Put it all in a 4x6-inch 6mm heavy-duty Ziploc. It's waterproof, transparent, and costs pennies compared to ultralight nylon sacks. Build this kit tonight. Your feet will thank you at mile 40.